Why don't we just throw trash into lava? Considering the colossal garbage problem around the world and the fact that there are around 1,350 potentially active volcanoes on Earth, it sounds pretty interesting. Gather all the trash and dump it straight into a volcano crater, where temperatures reach around 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit, so it would simply dissolve in the lava like in Minecraft. In 2002, a group of scientists working near the crater of one of the most dangerous volcanoes on the planet, Erta in Ethiopia, decided to test this theory. This volcano is one of the few on Earth with a permanent lava lake. The place is so inhospitable that locals call it the gateway to hell. Air temperatures here reach 125 degrees Fahrenheit, while inside the crater a lake of molten lava bubbles at temperatures above 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. An international team of volcanologists from France, Italy, and the United States came there for research. Their goal was to install measuring equipment, collect lava samples, and study the behavior of one of the most active lava lakes on the planet. After several days of hard work in extreme conditions, the expedition had accumulated a 66-pound bag of household waste, plastic bottles, metal cans, food scraps, rags, ordinary camp trash. In the middle of the African desert, where the nearest city was hundreds of miles away, taking the garbage out was extremely difficult. Then one of the scientists suggested an obvious solution. What if we just throw it into the lava? And guess what? They actually did it! And they even filmed it on video, so let's take a look together at what happened. Yes, you saw that correctly. They woke up the volcano. Such a violent reaction happened because of the temperature difference and the instant conversion of organic moisture into steam. The lava lake was covered with a dark, hardened crust, while beneath it was liquid magma with a temperature above 1,830 degrees Fahrenheit. The heavy 66-pound bag dropped from a height, accelerated, broke through that protective crust, and plunged inside. Since organic waste and food scraps contain a lot of moisture, the water instantly boiled upon contact with the superheated lava. What happened was a so-called physical explosion. In a fraction of a second, the liquid turned into steam and expanded thousands of times in volume. That steam began violently bursting outward, literally tearing the lava apart from the inside. Once the crust shattered, oxygen rushed into the opening, while gases from deep inside the volcano suddenly had a free path outward. As a result, a local burst turned into a full-scale fountain of fire and furious boiling, clearly demonstrating that throwing wet objects into a lava lake can trigger a dangerous detonating effect. That's why dumping garbage into volcanoes is actually a pretty terrible idea, and that's without even considering the logistics of transporting trash to volcanoes. After all, volcanoes are usually located in extremely inaccessible places, and just getting there would require a garbage truck driver to be at least as skilled as this guy. Write in the comments what you think about this. Would you personally dare to throw something into lava? Or did this video completely kill that idea for you?
Huh?